নদী চলে এঁকে বেঁকে, বৈশাখ মাসে তার হাঁটু জল থাকে। পার হয়ে যায় গরু, পার হয়ে গাড়ি, দুই ধার উঁচু তার ঢালু তার বাড়ি। ওপারেতে কাশবন ফুলে ফুলে সাদা, সরি, ঝিকঝিক করে বালি কোথাও না কাদা, ওপারেতে কাশবন ফুলে ফুলে সাদা। These are the some lines which reflect the scene, the beauty of the river. And such kind of imagination is called the imagination of childhood, childhood imagination. He is one throughout the world who has reflected every emotion at every age of individual. Your poetry, whatever he thought, every time we think something, but we fail to jot it down, we fail to write it down. But he is the person who not only wrote his feelings and thought, but he given those thoughts the form of poetry, the form of song, the form of music, and the form of painting. He has experimented with all kinds of aesthetics, I have already told. Right, starting from the poetry, he wrote drama, novel, narratives, stories, and essays in education and society. His volume of writing, if it can be congregated or stored in a place, that will be equivalent to a good library itself, only a single volume. Such kind of greatest contribution he made, and that's why he is renowned as the world poet and Guru among the Kavi, Guru among the poets. We call him Kavi Guru or Gurudev. When we talk about his early childhood,